Here is your food and fork, sir. Seafood. Here's a fork. Oh, man, I am starving. Mine. Wait. What the heck? Mine. What the? Is that a freaking bird? Shoo. Go home with your family or something. Go. Mine. Listen here. If you don't get out of here, I will freaking... I don't know what to do, okay? Just leave, okay? Mine. Wait, hey, what are you... Mine. Hey, that's my food. Give it back. Duel. You stupid bird. You're gonna pay for that. Come here. Mine. Give me my food. No. Hey, that's my food. Stop it. No, what the heck? Okay, Chef Charlie. Mine. No, don't you dare swallow that. I'm gonna get you, stupid bird. Mine.